heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Hey guys, so we are in Ikea, as you can tell. We finally made it, like I told you guys. So we're just going downstairs to get a cart because we need a cart. Yeah, get it. What happened? Oh yeah, we're getting the cart, and then I guess we're gonna start our. No, thank you. Then I guess we're gonna start our shopping adventure, whatever you want to call it. So yeah. Okay. Hey guys, so my OTD, I'm wearing my Pretty Little Thing shirt from Route 21. These boyfriend jeans, which I got from Route 21, Charlotte Russe, and then I'm just wearing my slip-on Vans. So yeah.
Loud enough to quiet the thunder. Love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down.
Come out. What film be? I'm rip it back.
Go.
You rip it back.
Oh, it's already actually ripped. Which way? You want me to come from here or the?
This way.
Okay. Now I'm recording. Go.
You're lucky to
Huh, what?
see, and I'm going to show you.
I was talking about the car.
Same thing.
Jordan. So guys, we wrapped up downstairs. We got everything we needed downstairs, and now we're upstairs. We're looking at like the more room decor, furniture area things. So I felt like a drop zone.
Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Hey guys, so we're in the cafeteria. We're getting something to eat. We're getting some chicken tenders and some mac and cheese, and I think that's it. But yeah, let's go.
I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. And love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna was yours.
So guys, we're in the checkout line and I just got a dollar ice cream cone, vanilla of course, so yippers.
That's all they have.
Okay, it's good actually guys. This is frozen yogurt, but it tastes like ice cream. That's good. Alrighty guys, that is the end of this vlog, but before we officially end it, I want to show you guys a clip from Friday because something very special happened to me. So, we just met some subscribers.
For the first time.
Right, we were just walking, they were in Moe's and they came out and they were like, are you vlogging? I was like, yeah. He was like, do you have a YouTube channel? I said, yeah. And he was like, what is that? I was like, well, you may want to write it down. And he was like, well, just type it in. So I typed it in, I was like, there I am. They're like, cool, so I guess they're going to subscribe. We'll see, so yeah. Be sure to subscribe and to comment down below, and then I'll see you guys next time. Asta Pasta!